Hi everyone, it's Samantha Salamon again, the manager of the Ahimsa department. This week, we're focusing on domestic violence and working with survivors of domestic violence. Specifically, I would like to talk a little bit more about the type of advocacy services we can provide to our clients. And the best person to talk to this about is our advocate supervisor, Amanda Smith. How are you doing?
Good, how are you, Sam?
I'm doing well, thank you. So can you explain to everybody what specific services we can provide to survivors of domestic violence?
Yeah, so we provide a lot of different services to domestic violence survivors. We provide case management, which is one of our biggest things we provide, which could include helping them apply for benefits, helping them with transportation, helping them get food, helping them find housing. One of the other things we do in our case management is safety planning. That is a huge one for when survivors are leaving or about to leave their perpetrators. So we safety plan with them to make sure that they have these tools ready to use for when they're leaving their perpetrator. Other things that we do is we offer support groups, which can be culturally specific. We also provide advocacy in the medical setting. So if there is an injury that they have due to the domestic violence, we can go with them to the hospital and sit with them. Another thing we do is we go to court with them and we can sit with them if they have to testify or if they have to go get a protection order, and just offer additional support so they know we're in their corner.
That's a lot.
Yes, we wear many hats.
So working specifically with the immigrant and refugee communities, I can presume that language access tends to be a huge issue. How is that being an advocate with these individuals?
Yeah, so language access can be a huge barrier for survivors. The beautiful thing is a lot of the advocates that work here are either bilingual or trilingual and usually have the language of the communities we're serving. So that kind of helps build even an additional rapport with that client because they have someone from their community that can offer them support and show them, hey, what you're going through is not okay and we're here to help you.
So working with the immigrant and refugee communities, have you noticed any trends specifically with survivors of domestic violence?
Yeah, one big trend we see is a lot of times survivors of domestic violence may not even realize that they are a victim of domestic violence. So a lot of times we do provide education on what a healthy relationship looks like versus an unhealthy relationship. We might refer them to the legal team to talk about any legal needs they might have. Another big trend is housing. Housing is a huge barrier for a lot of our clients trying to get out on their own. So we can help kind of talk with landlords and sometimes even provide a couple months rent to them so that they have a place to stay. So they don't feel like they have to go back to their perpetrator because they don't have anywhere else to go.
The streaming and recording
So
settings here.
in sum, it sounds like being an advocate for the immigrant and refugee communities at the Ahimsa department. It almost sounds like you're almost like a best
Just
friend.
don't make it so.
Yeah, a lot of our clients we are with from beginning to end. You know, a lot of times there's a lot of things happening, whether it's dealing with their immigration status, a divorce from the perpetrator. We can be with them for anywhere from, a couple months to a whole year or longer, depending on their needs. And we really build a great relationship with them as we go so that they know Asia is here for them whenever they need anything.
So if there's anything that you've learned, I hope, through Amanda, is that the advocacy services that we provide to survivors is invaluable. But we always are in need of more resources. We're always in need of donations to continue on with these services and to provide survivors an outlet so that they can have the help of advocates like Amanda to get out of their dangerous situations. So you can always click above wherever on this link, and you can please donate to Asian Services in Action. And thank you again for watching the video.
Thank you.